Okay, the fairing has been removed and we're going to install, in this case, a silver side split screen into this vent. And what we're going to want to do is match up the curvature of the inside of the screen with the curvature of the intake, vent intake. You can push this back in here like so to see how it's going to form. This is the headlight nacelle, and it is curved, so it will force the screen back into this slot here. And I've not removed all the bolts, just the lower one, so you can see the curvature match up here. And just so you know, this was a previously installed screen, and you can see that it's no longer flat. It's matched its curvature to the install area here like so. Okay, so let's install this puppy. We're going to match this up on the inside here, hold it in place, don't let it slip out, and let's get this guy installed properly and pushed back. It's important that you keep it pushed back. Okay, we now have this fully screwed in tightly, upper and lower, and you can see that this is not going anywhere. The screen is firmly secured, and you can check by the fit by pushing back with your thumb and noting how this will form fit. The fairing itself, when reinstalled, will push this back and secure it. Looks good. I used the gloss silver here because it shows up a little bit better. Okay, moving to the other side split screen, once again using the gloss silver for visibility. This has been loosened, the screen inserted the way I showed you on the other side, matching this first, and then this has been tightened up. And you can see the screen's snug here, it's not going anywhere. Before you put the fairing back on, always check by pressing back with your thumb to make sure the curvature of the outer part of the screen matches the curvature of the intake vent area. This looks perfect, and I think we're ready to place the fairing back on now, and the job will be finished. Thanks for listening.